Hey guys, let's unbox my LED 800 lights together. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am super excited. So, is it safe to say that I have just made my first big girl, okay, content creator purchase for the year? Yes, you guys. This is my tripod, right? The 8806 light stand tripod. Yeah, the carton came a bit damaged, but I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind. Hey, as in, hey. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Hey. Báwo lọ ṣe ń ṣí o? You guys, this is the tripod for the light, the stand for the light, and for the star of the show. Oh my gosh, you guys, see, I almost opened this thing by 12 midnight when I got this package. But you guys, oh, mm. You guys. Yo, don't mind me. I always get so excited when I receive something new, you guys. I wanted to do the regular kind of this thing, but I beg. I wanted to do, aesthetics unboxing, but I want you to see me as I do it. OMG. So you guys, it comes with two batteries. Okay, these are the smaller ones. I might have to get bigger ones. It comes with two batteries. This is, I think this is the clip that you attach to the tripod. This is the clip that you attach to the stand, right? Yes, Abby. I'm not coding, but we're going to figure it out. But it's a hook that you're going to put at the top there. It also comes with a charger for the battery. I cannot see a cable. It's supposed to have a cable. Okay, Shemia. Okay. It comes with a charger, and I'm guessing this is an adapter. Yes, this is an adapter for you to charge it directly to electricity. Now, one of the main reasons why I decided to go for this one is because I wanted something that I can use with or without electricity, and that is also going to stand the test of time for a long period of time. And of course, the star of the moment. Somebody say yay! I've been goofy these days. I don't understand what is happening, but mm, mm, the smell of new things, you guys. So we're just going to open with me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys. It's so great. Okay. So this is what it looks like, you guys. This is the back. It comes with, this is the back LED 800 plus. It comes in different colors, you guys. Let me just quickly try to Cherry, how can we make it unboxing? Okay. I mean, since I have electricity, I'll just quickly plug this to light, and there's light. The adapter is actually short, it's not very long, okay, as against what I expected. But yeah, you guys, I just want us to have a feel, okay, of what it looks like. Mhm. So it is plugged. I want us to see what difference it is going to make. I mean, even if it's not understand yet, let's see what difference it's going to make immediately to this thing that I'm filming. You know or no? Okay, kasi abanyenu the thing. Oh, that means they brought it on. So can use it without this cable. So you guys, yes, okay. So let's see. Ooh, you guys, can you just see the difference? Can you see the difference? Okay, let's see. Hmm. I don't know if I was expecting more, but yeah. So okay, so these are the different kind of lights that it comes in. I think I should try here. These are the different kind of light. These are the colors. Okay, there's the warm color. Can you can you see that? All this blue color. Mm. Oh, this very dim hue color. Oh, I love this hue. Yeah, the white color or this blue color. I think this is going to be my fave. And then you can reduce or increase it. You guys, it's not as bright as I expected or as I thought. Make a no lie. I don't know if it's because it's during the day and I'm sitting very close to my door, or it's because the batteries are not properly charged or something. I don't know. But yeah, you guys, do you see what difference light makes? Can you see that? Can you see that? You guys, yeah. Guess whose content just got an upgrade? Oh my gosh, you guys.